Hi, welcome to My Kid Tunes. Today we're going to draw Princess Daisy from Super Mario's. So grab your marker and follow along with me. Let's start by drawing the nose. Right here in the middle of the page. And then off to the sides, as we always do, you're going to draw the bottom of the eyes first. Keep it about the same. Nice and curvy on top, as we always do. And let's do this one as well. Keep it about the same size. And let's jump to the pupils, the light reflections, and of course the irises. And then we're going to draw 2 eyelashes on each side. Let's fill the eyelashes and the pupils in. Now right below the nose, we're going to draw a little mouth, and we're going to draw a top lip and then a bottom lip as well. Now right off to the sides, we're going to draw 2 earrings. So I want you to draw 2 circles on both sides of her head, and then we're going to draw a flower shape earring. And on this side, let's do the same. And now that we have the earrings, we can draw a jawline. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a nice curve. And there's a jawline. Now let's go to the top and we're going to draw the front hair. I'm going to draw 2 lines curving outwards opposite each other. Curve it in on both sides. And now we're going to do again the same thing, and we're going to go past the head. And on this side we're going to do the same thing past the head. And now that we have that, I'm just going to draw the sideburns. And then of course a small little ear sticking out behind the earrings. Now on top we can draw a head. We can finish up with a head. You're going to make it nice and curvy. Go down and let it curve outwards towards that point. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. Curve it out to that point. Now right on top we're going to draw a crown. So I'll draw those lines first. And then in the middle I'm just going to draw the middle part of the crown and connect it to the sides. And then right here in the crown there's another flower shape. So let's go down to a neck. We're going to draw the neck, and then we're going to draw a collar. And we're going to connect it to the outlines of the neck. And right below the collar there's a flower, and we'll draw a flower as well. There we go. We can draw her torso, and I'm just going to make a nice curvy line down like this. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing, a nice curvy line down and bring it down to a point. Now that we have that, we can draw her shoulders. Now I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw a U. And I'll do the same on this side as well. I try to copy it, like it looks the same. And now I'm going to start drawing her shoulder, nice and round. And then on this side as well, nice and round, connect it back. And then with a round curve you can connect it back to the torso as well. And now we can finish up with her hair. So I'm going to start here on this side, and I'm just going to make a swerve out back to the shoulders. And on this side, curl out back to the shoulders. And now we can draw these little sleeves underneath her shoulder. There's one, and we can maybe draw another one here as well. Now before we draw the arms, we're going to draw her hips. We're going to make it wide, and then from here you're going to draw a dress out, and you're going to connect it back like this. And we're going to do the same thing on this side and take it back. And now that we have that, we can draw a dress. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw a curvy line going a little bit outwards to follow the curves of the dress, and I'll do the same on this side, and then I'm going to connect it with a round downwards curve right there. Now we can jump back to the arms. I'm going to start on this side, and I'm just going to draw the inside arm connected to her body and then connected to her body as well. She's got these gloves on, so I'll just make a little line there to indicate where the glove starts, and here maybe I'll draw the complete arm and the hand, and of course we're going to draw a glove there as well. Now below there's these little pieces of material on the dress on the bottom, and I'll draw something like this, and then I'm going to continue with this part of the dress, and I'm just going to make two little lines, straight lines out, and I'm going to connect it with a downwards curve, and then I'm going to, this shape, I'm going to again do that and round on the sides and just connect it with a nice swervy line. And there we go, there's Princess Daisy. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.